Introduction of Power BI. Here is the content for this section. First, introducing Power BI. Second, installation. Third, interface and workflow. 4. Helpful resources. Introducing. Microsoft Power BI is a self-service business intelligence platform, which includes both desktop and web-based applications for connecting, modeling, and visualizing data. Any information please check out here powerbi.microsoft.com. Why Power BI? Connect, transform and load millions of rows of data. Access data from virtually anywhere, database tables, flat files, web DAO services folders etc., and create fully automated workflows to extract, transform and load data for analysis. Build relational models to blend data from multiple sources. Create table relationships to analyze holistic performance across an entire relational data model. Define complex calculations using data analysis expressions. Enhance datasets and enable advanced analytics with powerful and portable data analysis expressions. Bring data to life with interactive reports and dashboards. Build professional quality reports and dashboards with best-in-class visualization tools. Develop a versatile, in-demand skill set. Power BI is the industry leader in self-service BL, and the skills you build in this course will be highly transferable. Installation. For Power BI Desktop you can go to the URL address as below and click Download Now. Interface and workflow. Power BI Backend is focus on Power Query Editor. Power BI Frontend is focus on Model View, Data View and Report View. Raw data is extracted and transformed in the Power Query Editor backend, then loaded to the Power BI frontend. Power Query Editor focus on data is loaded and transformed in the Power Query Editor. Model View focus on data models are configured in the Model View. Data View is a table features and calculations are added in the Data View. Report View is a visuals and report are designed in the Report View. Helpful resources. The Help tab includes documentation, training video, sample files, templates and links to support blogs and communities. Power BI is update monthly, so any information needed, please check here as URL address. Thank you.